All right. I know a lot of you guys ask me all the time, like, how I make the peanut butter bread. We're just gonna try it live. Because I'm on my phone, I don't have the recipe up, but I think I remember it. So what I'll do first is make peanut butter. So I'm just gonna grab my powdered peanut butter. I did order the sugar-free one too to see what that tastes like. But over the years, I've tried quite a few of them, and this is the one I like. So I'm not sure how much makes a cup. So I just make a thing of peanut butter, and then whatever I make that's excess, I just save it in a Tupperware container. So, you know, we'll try that much. Put this down. Let's see if I can lift you guys up at all, so I can see in there. Now I'm just gonna add some water until I have a desired thickness that I like. I don't have measurements. You guys know I don't measure. Over here to the side, over here, we have some tri-tip going. So that's probably a half a cup, and it looks like I need more. Oh, that actually looks pretty good. That actually looks pretty good. I won't add any more. Nah, just dump my water over here. Right, let's speed this up a minute. Wow. Nailed it. Look at that. It's like perfect peanut butter. If that's 1 cup too, I'm gonna like trip out. That'd be wild. You guys, it might be. Did I actually eyeball the exact amount that I need? What the what? I think I did. Holy crap. That's actually creeping me out. How did I do that? You guys, I made 1 cup of peanut butter without measuring anything. Ta-da! All right, well, now let's put it back. That's so freaking cool. All right, so peanut butter's in there. Turn this back on. Just a little bit. Get off my finger. All right. So it says to use vinegar and baking powder. I'm just gonna use baking soda because I feel like those 2 ingredients make the same thing. So I'm gonna just use this much baking powder. And I'm gonna put a little bit more in. Can't hurt, right? All right, so that's just regular old baking powder. It says to add vanilla. There's about that much in there. It's probably a teaspoon. I'm gonna use powdered sweetener this time. I think it'll be better. I have a 1 tablespoon. I think the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons, but I think we've all agreed that's not enough. So let me do 2 and then give it a taste. Maybe the powdered sugar made it sweeter. All right, let's add the egg. could see adding a little bit more. I could totally see adding more. Woo! Since I'm not savvy at cracking eggs, let's just do it this way. So I can make sure I don't get the shells in there. Why is your girl having egg cracking problems? That's just sad. Wow, that's really good. Holy crap. Maybe powdered sugar is the way to go. Baking soda, powdered sugar, peanut butter, or baking powder. All right, let's get this all mixed up. So what we were gonna do that was different was I was gonna add a scoop of banana keto chow just to see what it does. My oven is preheating to 350 right now. That's good. I don't want any more sweetener. And that was powdered pure cane. I powdered it myself. And I'm gonna underbake this loaf. Wow, that's so good. I think I might make 2 of these actually. All right. So when you make the peanut butter, I want you to see how runny this is. That is what it looks like when you make it. It looks that runny. But let's go ahead and add a scoop of banana keto chow. I just make sure it's banana. Yep, that's banana. We'll do 1 scoop. Keto chow is very, 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 very absorbent. So I'm watching right now to see if maybe I want to add another egg or something. I'll just scrape the sides down. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh, wow. Scared me. All right, she's still pretty runny. She doesn't look like overly, okay, I think we're good. I think this is A-okay. Let me see if I can scoot her back. We are still waiting on our cheese. I feel like I'm waiting on a date that's late. That's how I feel. Set that right there since we're already making messes. My handy dandy bread dish. They say to pre-oil your bread pan, but with silicone I never need to, so I don't. I'm still shocked that I made 1 cup of peanut butter out of the powder perfectly. It's so weird to me. It's gonna be lots of live videos today once the cheese comes. All right, and then she goes in the oven. We're gonna do 30 minutes and then check her instead of 35. See if that helps at all. So good. Get the air bubbles out. You guys see that? I almost dropped it. All right. In this thread, I will post the after results. Bye. Forgot how to turn you guys off. You guys, it looks Incredible. Let's taste it. I like it. Oh my gosh, this is really good. And look at the consistency of it. It's a winner, guys. Let's have hubby taste it. It's got keto chow in it.
That's good. What
Isn't that
flavor?
banana? Banana and peanut butter.
It's good.